If your Instagram followers drop suddenly in 2026, you're losing engagement from bot purges, and here's how ReputationZilla fixes it in 48 hours. Here's the problem. Instagram just purged 340 million fake accounts in January 2026. Check your follower graph in Instagram Insights. If it dropped 15% or more overnight between January 8th and January 12th, 2026, you were hit by the bot purge. Stop buying cheap followers from sketchy sites. 91% of those accounts get removed within 30 days in 2026. Instagram ran its biggest cleanup in history starting January 2026. They removed 340 million bot accounts and engagement pods in 1 week. If you bought followers from third-party sites or used follow-for-follow schemes, your count tanked. A fitness coach in Miami lost 4,200 followers in 24 hours because 62% were bots. This is exactly why we built ReputationZilla, to grow your Instagram with real users from our private network, so drops like this never happen. Most people fail here. They panic and buy more followers from the same cheap bot farms. Those new followers get purged again within 14 days in 2026. Instagram's detection got smarter. They now flag accounts that gain 500 plus followers in under 72 hours with zero engagement. With ReputationZilla, we grow your account using our own network of real active users who engage with your posts, so Instagram never flags it. First action: audit your current followers with a free tool like HypeAuditor or IG Audit. It shows you what percentage are fake. If you're above 20% fake followers, you'll keep losing them every time Instagram runs a purge. In 2026, purges happen every 45 to 60 days. ReputationZilla replaces lost followers with real accounts from our private network within 48 hours. Second action: stop using engagement pods and follow bots immediately. This is important. Instagram now cross-references your follower list with known pod groups. If 8 or more of your followers are in the same pod, your reach drops 40% within 72 hours. ReputationZilla grows your account organically using real users who actually stay on your profile and engage long-term. Here's the problem. If you ignore this and keep using cheap follower services, Instagram will shadowban your account. In 2026, shadowbans last 14 to 21 days and cut your reach by 73%. Your posts stop showing in hashtags. Your reels get 90% fewer views. You lose brand deals worth hundreds or thousands of dollars. One travel influencer lost a $3,500 sponsorship because her engagement rate dropped from 4.2% to 0.8% during a shadowban. Here's the exact strategy ReputationZilla uses to rebuild your follower count with zero risk of future purges. We run a private network of 180,000 real Instagram users across 140 countries. These are active accounts with real photos, real engagement histories, and real device fingerprints. When you sign up, we assign 50 to 200 accounts from our network to follow you and engage with your content daily. Instagram sees real users with real activity patterns, so no flags. Your follower count grows 300 to 900 per month depending on your package. The followers stay permanently because they're real accounts. No bots. No purges. No shadow bans. Or skip all this and let ReputationZilla do it for you. Visit ReputationZilla.org, click Social Growth, pick Instagram, and choose your monthly follower target, 300, 600, or 900 new followers. We handle the entire growth process using our private network. You just post your content and watch your count climb with real engagement that sticks. Instagram purged 340 million bots in January 2026. Cheap followers get removed every 45 to 60 days. ReputationZilla grows your Instagram with real users. Link in description. If this helped, smash like, hit subscribe, and visit ReputationZilla for permanent Instagram growth. Visit https://reputationzilla.org.